Dear friend, my name is Dolkun Isa and I am the president of the World Uyghur Congress, an international umbrella organization representing collective interest and the right of the Uyghurs and other Turkic people worldwide. Today, I'm here with the Uyghur community in Munich to ask for your financial support on all latest projects. The World Uyghur Congress is the process of buying bigger working space, office and the cultural center. We can only make this possible with your donation. Since 2017, Uyghur and other Turkic peoples have suffered from genocidal policy at the hand of the Chinese government. For past 20 years, World Uyghur Congress has worked tirelessly to promote the Uyghur right worldwide. This has led us to be nominated for the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize early this year. The stakes of our work are higher, but resources are very limited. The Chinese government's destruction cultural heritage site in East Turkistan. Restriction on the Uyghur language has for many years now attempted to erode all expression and the physical manifestory of the Uyghur identity. This means that the future of the Uyghur people and the continued existence of our rich cultural heritage is in danger. To prevent the loss of heritage, the World Uyghur Congress is planning to establish an Uyghur cultural center here in Munich, where our head office is based. The center will host an office, library, and will be used space for exhibition, religious and cultural event, which will be bring together people different of culture and ethnicity to learn about Uyghur history, music, literature, and Uyghur language. With support and the help of the Uyghur community worldwide, we have already achieved 80% of our total amount. We need your support to help us get the 20% which need to achieve our goal. This project can only be achieved with your generous donation. Help us create a space to come together, learn, preserve Uyghur heritage. We hope to count on your support and thank you for your kindness.